Hi, this is a short tutorial about stop motion animation. This is for those maybe who do not have access to a laptop. Therefore, there's an application which can be downloaded on your smartphone. The name of the application is called GIF Maker, and you can find it on the Play Store. I'm going to access the application. Now, before using the application, make sure that you take some pictures of an object sitting in different positions. Let's experiment with 4 pictures, okay? Once you have the pictures and you open the GIF Maker editor, you click on Images to GIF, the third one from the top. And here I have prepared already some pictures. Basically, this is a piece of plasticine, and the action which we'll be taking is it's like we'll be strolling on a piece of table. Now it's important that when you choose the pictures, you choose them in sequence. I have already prepared the sequence prior uploading them to the application. Once you've chosen all the pictures, you go on the top right, there's this check mark, you press it, and there we have the animation. I just click the center of the picture and you have the piece of plasticine strolling on the table. Now, as you can see, it's going too fast. What you can do is you go on the options down below, scroll, choose speed, and you can adjust the duration. I can adjust it to 4 seconds. And there you can see we already have a better result. Once you're happy with your result, you go on top right, there's the check up, you press it, you click on it, then you have the option to save. You can save either as GIF or video without audio, and you can also change the quality. I'm going to leave it the way it is. You click OK, and there we have the animation. Below you can see the file name, the file size, the resolution, the number of frames, and the duration. This will be automatically saved to your gallery. That's all. Thank you.